Hey, what's up guys? This is Travis Gill with Fitness Artist. So it is currently 27 degrees in upstate New York and it is snowing like crazy. When we hit these cold temperatures, I can't even count how many times I see people shrugging their shoulders, bringing their shoulders up towards their ears, okay? So what that's gonna do is it's gonna add a lot of unneeded pressure on your shoulders, your back, and your neck, all right? So what I want you to be conscious of is I want you to think about your posture. I want you to draw your shoulders away from your ears, bring your belly button into your spine, keep your chest up high, and engage your lat muscles on either side of your back. That will help you stay away from injury.